Everybody faces setbacks, but not everyone decides to rise again. Are you ready to ignite your comeback story? In the heart of every struggle, there's a spark waiting to ignite. Each setback, every failure isn't a stop sign, it's merely a detour on the road to greatness. Winston Churchill once said, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." Imagine yourself as a phoenix. Yes, the legendary bird that rises from its own ashes, reborn, resilient, and more powerful than ever before. Every time life tries to knock you down, remember, you have the power to rise, to soar to new heights, fueled by the flames of your past failures. This isn't just about bouncing back, it's about bouncing forward, stronger, wiser, unstoppable. Let your challenges transform you. Let your trials become your triumphs. Because when you choose to keep moving forward, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. So, what's your next move? Are you ready to rise from the ashes and claim your glory? Remember, the only way to truly fail is to stop trying. Keep pushing, keep rising, and watch as you turn your darkest moments into your brightest victories. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting quotes.